Hey, let's see the impact of useCallback and useMemo to improve the performance in React components. This is the code. It's a simple React component to show the double of a number. It has two set states. The first one is the value of an input. The second one will be incremented when I click on re-render button. This set state will allow us to check the behavior of useMemo and useCallback when the component is being rendering without a real impact for the functions. This component shows the double of the number. I have the same function without any hook with useMemo and with useCallback hook. Every function shows a message in the log indicating the render counter. useMemo and useCallback function are listening the number prop. This is the important and is where the magic is created. Now let's see the behavior. If I increment the input number, the three methods are executed, so no impact. But if I click on re-render button, we can see two interesting things. The first one is that the useMemo function has not been executed. That's because the number didn't change. The second one interesting thing is that the useCallback function has been executed but the render counter is in the cache, so it's not showing the real number. I can re-render many times and the counter doesn't change. Finally, if I change the number, the useMemo function has been executed again and the useCallback function is showing the render counter, now the real render counter. Conclusion, useMemo will execute the function only if the prop change. So it can be a huge performance improvement if the function makes a lot of things because it's, for example, a child component with other children components. useCallback will execute the function always, but the performance is focused in the cache, saving the data until the prop change. Code and link in the description.